Hi, my name is Mr. Kelly and I teach pre-AP Chemistry and AP Chemistry here at Richland High School. The following announcement is for our college-bound seniors as well as college-bound juniors from Richland High School. I'll talk first to our seniors. Seniors, there's a few things that you should be preparing to do as you get ready for college. Did you realize that a third of your senior year has already passed? There's lots of things to do in order to be ready for college. Couple of things to remind you. Have you made your resume yet? Getting ready for college? Have you been applying to the schools that you're interested in and filling out those essays? Those take hours to do, and I encourage you to start doing those soon. Have you taken the SAT or the ACT and figured out which one of those tests makes you look better? And I suggest you take that test 2 times, whether it be your SAT twice or your ACT twice, to get your best possible score, because that can pay lots of money for you as admittance into college. Now you may be thinking, well, I took one test, but when do I take the next test? Well, if you go to the counselor's office, you'll find a sheet of paper that looks like this. On one side is the SAT score, the SAT testing, when you have to register and when the next tests are. On the back of that paper is also ACT, to sign up for the ACT and when those tests are given and when you have to have them registered. It's very important that you get those tests done and get the best possible scores in order to get into the college you're interested in. Now, you may be thinking, well, my parents went to college. They know how to do that and they can help me. I'll be honest with you. As I went through college, the rules were completely different than they are today. It is different to get a student into college. I have a daughter that's in college right now, and it was not the same process as when I went through school. So I suggest you start applying. Get to know those people at the college level that you can get some information about that college, what their entrance scores are, and go ahead and get applying to those schools. It's a challenge. You're competing against everyone else in the state for a few spots at each college. If you haven't started yet, I encourage you, use your Thanksgiving break, your Christmas break, and do some of that to get caught up. Juniors, you may be thinking, well, I've got a year to get ready. Well, that's sort of true, but there are some things that you can do even now to get ready. You need to really think about the following things. Do I know where I want to go to college? What are the entrance scores to get in? And you need to start taking your SAT or your ACT at least once. I suggest taking that at least once by the end of your junior year or the very beginning of your summer. Now, you can get all kinds of help to increase your SAT or ACT score, but those courses cost money. There are local places that you can go that are over $1,000 to help you review in order to improve your scores. But that money can really help you for college. Or Burville ISD has an alternative. This year, for the first time, Burville ISD is offering an SAT, ACT prep class. You can get help in areas of math and English to prepare yourself for those tests. I teach the math section of the SAT, ACT prep class, and Mr. Shilley teaches the English section of that. I encourage you, if you're in the top of your class or you're just, I know I need to really get myself prepared for college, you can be doing that even this next semester. If you're interested in that prep class, that SAT prep class, there are limited spots. If you're interested, I encourage you to email your counselor and let them know that you're interested in that class. It's an elective class. It's 1 semester. It is really a class to prepare you for those tests. So if you're interested in that, I encourage you to go ahead and email your counselor and go ahead and get that set up. Another video will be coming down the line so that you can see how that can improve your scores. We'll see you at the next video.